So I did this install, you guys, a few minutes ago. It's not that long. It was real quick. It's not a wear and go, but it is lace 4x4, so it's only like from here and here. HD track, HD lace, and HD cap. Stalled by your girl, did a good job. I love to play in my wigs. If you know, you know. I'm loving this one. It's light. And one of the things that I'm noticing I like about this wig is giving 2000 vibes. And I'm an older woman. So it's giving me back in like 2005, 2002 when I was in my 20s. And my natural hair was this long. That's what it's giving, okay? It's giving that old school wrap and go. Remember you wrapping around your head with a scarf, drop it down, and you at the party and it sweat out in a couple hours or a couple of minutes. That's what this is giving, okay? It's giving real natural. You can't even tell it's a wig, come back.
Oh, it is? Damn, girl, you got
Y'all say happy birthday to my babe. It's his birthday today. So, girl looking good for bae. But yeah, that's what I just want to come back and say. I like this wig because of that. Because it's giving 90s, late 90s, $40 press and wash and press, kitchen wraps, even the shop. It's giving press. The hair is coarse, but it's thin. It's thick, but it's full, but it's not. It's natural, okay? It's flat. And that lace is lacing, okay? And I had to put no marker on her spray. I didn't have to do no plucking. I just threw her on, okay? And I sprayed her with a little bit of holding spray right up in here with that even. And we was even. You see it?